purpose of this video is to provide you with some tips and tricks for using our vegan formula. Now first, it's 6 capsules a day, 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. It's the morning. I'm going to show you how I take my morning dose. Why is it 6? Because it's everything you need in this formula. Multivitamin, 2 proprietary hair, skin, nails vitamins, your B's, your D's, your immune, your C and your zinc, your female support blend. So, why 6 capsules? Because I said to myself, why am I doing this every morning? Open, close, open, close. Why doesn't someone put it all in one formula? Well, this is it. So, when you're taking the vegan, in the morning, I have my coffee. I always like to have a little something in my stomach before I take supplements, and it's a good idea because supplements can cause tummy upset. Nuts, some people use yogurt, some people even open the capsules and put the contents into yogurt or a smoothie. Now I want to tell you, if you don't like taking capsules, this isn't the product for you unless you know you can put it into something. But we want you to be successful, and if you don't like capsules, we ask that you not buy our product unless you know you can put it into your juice or your smoothie because you're not going to take it. And we want you to use it, and we want you to have great success. So a little bit of food in your tummy, full glass of water, liquid juice. We want to make sure that the product gets into your tummy so that it can be absorbed. We're ULU, we're here for you. And we also have another tip and trick. This is a little bottle. Just a normal little pill bottle. Holds 25 capsules. When you get your product, put 25 capsules in here, keep it in your handbag, your travel bag, your briefcase, your lunch bag, in your desk drawer. But that way, if you're like me and you run out of the house, you're like, oh, I didn't take my product, oh my goodness. You go over, grab your product, boom, you're staying consistent. So we're ULU, we're here for you. If you have any questions, let us know. We know that you believe in yourself, and we believe in you. More importantly, have a vision for yourself. Have your purpose. Feel good every day and live your best life.